Imagine the human brain like a computer. Most people have a standard operating system. They process information, interact socially, and navigate the world in predictable ways. Now imagine a different operating system, one with unique coding and pathways. This is a glimpse into the autistic brain. Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a spectrum of neurodevelopmental differences. These differences affect communication, social interaction, and behavior. Each individual on the spectrum is unique. Genetics plays a significant role in autism. Family studies show that if one child has autism, the chances of a sibling also having autism are higher than the general population. This suggests a hereditary component to the disorder. Scientists have identified specific genes associated with autism. These genes influence brain development, particularly in areas responsible for communication and social interaction. However, it's important to note that genes are not destiny. Having a gene mutation linked to autism doesn't guarantee a diagnosis. In some cases, autism arises from spontaneous gene mutations, meaning they occur randomly and are not inherited from parents. These mutations can happen during prenatal development or even later in life. The exact triggers for these mutations are still being investigated. Understanding the genetic underpinnings of autism is crucial for developing targeted interventions and therapies. It also helps families make informed decisions about family planning and genetic counseling. While genetics provides important clues, it's just one piece of the autism puzzle. While genetics lays the groundwork, environmental factors can influence autism development. Exposure to pollutants, heavy metals, and pesticides during pregnancy may increase autism risk. Maternal health also plays a role. More research is needed to confirm these links. Emerging research highlights the intriguing connection between the gut and the brain, known as the gut-brain axis. This bidirectional communication pathway suggests that what happens in the gut can influence brain function and vice versa. Studies have found that children with autism often experience gastrointestinal issues like constipation, diarrhea, and food sensitivities. These digestive problems may be linked to an imbalance in the gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that reside in the gut. Some parents of autistic children report that dietary changes, such as eliminating gluten and casein, have led to improvements in their child's behavior and gastrointestinal symptoms. While anecdotal evidence is not conclusive, it highlights the need for further research into the gut-brain axis in autism. Scientists are investigating whether manipulating the gut microbiome through probiotics, prebiotics, or fecal microbiota transplantation could potentially alleviate some autism symptoms. This area of research holds promise for developing new therapeutic approaches for autism. Section 5. Modern medicine's role, separating fact from fiction in autism treatment. The role of modern medicine in autism is multifaceted, encompassing diagnosis, treatment, and ongoing research. Early diagnosis is crucial for accessing appropriate interventions and support services that can significantly improve outcomes for individuals with autism. Treatment approaches for autism are individualized and focus on addressing specific challenges and enhancing strengths. These may include behavioral therapies like applied behavior analysis or ABA, speech and language therapy, occupational therapy, and social skills training. Medications are sometimes prescribed to manage co-occurring conditions like anxiety, depression, and attention difficulties. However, it's important to note that there is no cure for autism, and medications should be used judiciously and under the guidance of a qualified medical professional. Modern medicine plays a vital role in advancing our understanding of autism and developing effective interventions. It's crucial to rely on evidence-based information and consult with healthcare professionals to make informed decisions about diagnosis, treatment, and ongoing care. One of the most persistent and damaging misconceptions surrounding autism is the debunked link to vaccines. This harmful myth originated from a fraudulent study that has been thoroughly discredited by the scientific community. Numerous large-scale studies have consistently shown no link between vaccines and autism. Vaccines are rigorously tested for safety and efficacy and are essential for protecting individuals and communities from preventable diseases. The spread of misinformation about vaccines has dangerous consequences, leading to vaccine hesitancy, and outbreaks of preventable diseases. It's crucial to rely on credible sources of information and consult with healthcare professionals to make informed decisions about vaccinations. Vaccines save lives and are a cornerstone of public health. Promoting accurate information about vaccines is essential for protecting the health and well-being of all individuals, including those with autism. Autism is not a monolith. It's a spectrum encompassing a wide range of abilities, challenges, and ways of experiencing the world. Each autistic individual is unique, with their own strengths, talents, and perspectives. Some autistic individuals may be non-verbal, while others are highly verbal. Some may excel in areas like mathematics, music, or art, while others may face significant challenges in social interaction or sensory processing. It's important to move away from viewing autism through a deficit-based lens and instead embrace the neurodiversity paradigm. This perspective recognizes that neurological differences are a natural part of human variation and that autistic individuals have valuable contributions to make to society. By embracing the spectrum, we can create a more inclusive and accepting world where autistic individuals are valued for their unique abilities and perspectives. Navigating the world with autism can be challenging, but there are resources and support systems available to help individuals and their families thrive. Early intervention is crucial for maximizing developmental potential and providing tailored support. Personalized approaches are essential for addressing the unique needs of each individual on the spectrum. These may include behavioral therapies, speech and language therapy, occupational therapy, social skills training, and dietary interventions. Parents and caregivers play a vital role in advocating for their children's needs and accessing appropriate services. Connecting with other families affected by autism can provide invaluable support, resources, and a sense of community. Remember, you are not alone. There are dedicated professionals and support networks ready to help you navigate the challenges and celebrate the triumphs of raising a child or supporting an individual with autism. While significant strides have been made in understanding autism, there is still much to learn. Ongoing research is crucial for unraveling the complex interplay of genetic and environmental factors that contribute to the disorder. Scientists are exploring new frontiers in autism research, including the gut-brain axis, the role of the immune system, and the potential of gene editing technologies. These advancements hold promise for developing more effective interventions and improving the lives of individuals with autism. Continued funding for autism research is essential for driving innovation and finding answers. By investing in research, we invest in a future where individuals with autism can reach their full potential and live fulfilling lives. The journey of autism research is ongoing, and with continued dedication and collaboration, we can unlock the mysteries of this complex disorder and create a more inclusive and supportive world for all.